Hey everybody, it's Monika and welcome to my channel where I help social workers, therapists, and helping professionals deepen their level of self-awareness while increasing their competence and confidence in the profession. So for today's video, I just wanted to do a life update to let you all know what you can expect from the channel in 2024. So if you're interested in this topic, then please keep watching. I'm Monika Thomas, the founder and clinical social worker at Kindred Connections Therapy Center. I've been a social worker for over 12 years. I decided to do an entire YouTube channel on my journey from cubicle working social worker to successful entrepreneur. Welcome to my channel. So I'm really excited about the content that I have planned this year, and I was really thinking about what would be the most helpful for you based off of where you are in your career. So as you all know, if you've ever watched this video right here, you know that I do mock therapy sessions. So that's one thing that I'm going to be doing more of in 2024. And then if you've watched this video right here, then you know that I like to do videos about preparing for an interview, how to prepare your resume, and making sure that you're ready to go when it's time to interview for a new social work position. So I'll be doing more content related to that as well. And then I've also been thinking about this whole idea of having a 360-degree life, and that's something new that I'm going to be adding into the channel. So what that means to me is we know that our careers take up a huge part of our lives. So we spend the majority of our time working a 9-to-5 if you're not in private practice. And it can sometimes take a toll on our mental health, on our families, and on our finances. So what I wanted to do is I want to talk about what does it look like to have a fully integrated life as a social worker. So we're not just talking about our careers, but we're talking about how we maintain our homes, how we organize, how we stay productive, how we practice self-care. So all of those things are things that I want to be able to integrate into my channel this year. So I'm going to be doing some day in the life content, and I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes of some work that I'm doing as a consultant, where I'm working with an agency, helping them develop their programming, provide organization to their agency, support for their clinical director, and a structure for their interns. So you're going to see what it would look like if you decided to pursue a career as a consultant. And what that could look like for you is taking all the knowledge and the skills and education that you've gained and being able to find individuals, organizations, companies, businesses who would benefit from the knowledge base that you have. So, one of the things that I'm always talking about is how we can design a career that we love and teach what we know. So I'm going to be showing you what that looks like for me in my day-to-day life. And you might notice that I have a new setup here. So my setup has changed a couple times. So you have maybe seen when I first started out, I had this setup right here, then I switched, and then I had this setup right here. So now I'm in a new space and I'm super excited about it. So I'm going to be recording more content from this space. You also know, if you follow me on Instagram, and if you're not following me there, I would love for you to follow me on Instagram, that I've been doing a lot of workwear videos. So I'm going to be adding more workwear to my YouTube channel as well. And this is going to go more in depth than what I'm able to do on Instagram. And it's going to be showing you how to create a staple wardrobe for your interviews, what things are good to wear when you're interviewing, if you're in case management, some things that you might want to stay away from, or if you're practicing therapy, what is good workwear that you can put together when you're not wearing high heels all day. We know that we're a profession where we're not wearing heels all day. We're doing a lot of walking. We're doing a lot of collaborating in different departments. So most of us as social workers, we're not wearing heels. So I wanted to do some outfits that were functional, that were still cute, where you can feel like yourself and you can still have a level of confidence. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I like to do Money Talk Monday videos. And my goal is to get a lot more consistent with my Money Talk Monday videos. And I'm going to add that into my YouTube channel because I know a lot of you out there have the goal of earning 6 figures as a social worker, and sometimes you might not have a path of what that can look like. So I'm going to put together some videos, possibly a series. You all can let me know in the comments if you think a series would be helpful. I've been toying around with some ideas on that, road to 6 figures, or how to make 6 figures as a social worker, just to give you a pathway on what that can look like for you. And it might not look like a traditional social work role. It might not look like you working in a 9-to-5. It can look like you integrating like consulting, for example, what I'm doing. It can also also look like you taking on projects, freelance work, speaking. It can take a lot of different forms. What I want to be able to do with the Money Talk Monday is not only to help you envision what will my path look like to reach my income goal, but how can I not put myself in a box by other people's perception of what social workers can make. In addition to that, I want us to talk about what it would look like to be more consistent in managing our finances, prioritizing our debt, paying off the things that are keeping us from our goals. So that's going to be a huge goal for me in 2024, is to be able to check a lot of the things off of my list that I've been wanting to do for a really long time. And I know that there's some financial hurdles that I have to overcome and some financial milestones that I need to make in order for me to reach the goals that I've set for myself. So I'm going to be taking you along the journey with me, and I hope that you'll find that helpful. You're also going to get a lot of content from me around entrepreneurship, career planning, which is something that I'm going to try to do every quarter. So 4 times a year, I want us to come together and have a career planning workshop. So that way we're looking at our goals for every quarter and making sure that we're hitting those milestones by the end of the year. So some of you know that I've been trying to model my planning after the 12-week year. And if you're not familiar, it's this book right here. And even though I talk about quarters, a lot of people aren't familiar with the 12-week year model. So you might hear me switch between 90 days, once a quarter, or the 12-week year. Ideally, I'm wanting to fully switch over to the 12-week year model, but it takes a shift in your mindset to stop thinking about quarters and thinking about a 12-week year. I'll leave a link to that book in the description if you would like to check that out. And I'll be doing more content around the 12-week year and show you all how I'm integrating that into my planning as well. If there's any other social work content or any other videos that you would like for me to add to the channel, be sure to put that in the comment section below. I love reading you all's comments, and I'm always taking down notes of things that will be helpful for you as you're navigating your social work career. I'm so excited about what 2024 has in store for me, as well as what it has in store for you. And if you've not liked or subscribed to the channel, please click the bell below to also be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and as always, be well.